हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आस्क योर वेट। आज का वीडियो है डॉग्स की स्मॉल ब्रीड्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट ब्रीड इज चिहुआहुआ। दिस ब्रीड इज कंसिडर्ड स्मॉलेस्ट ब्रीड ऑफ द डॉग. Its weight varies from 2 to 3 kg. Its height varies from 15 cm to 23 cm. It is available in different colors. This coat is smooth and long. This dog is quite alert and swift. It is very delicate companion for human beings, family. This size is small, so it can fit in, you can say, modern days accommodation where the space is an issue. The food requirement are also very less due to small size. Next breed is Maltese. Its maximum height goes up to 25 cm. Weight can go up to 3 kg. Color is available in pure white. Texture is good length and silky. It is good companion for kids as well as for family members. This is sweet tempered dogs and it is quite alert dog but delicate. Next breed is Pomeranian. It is commonly available breeds. Its height goes up to 28 cm. Its weight is up to 3 kg. It is available in any color, black or brown or other colors. It can act as a guard dog as well as companion animal. There should not be any shading of the black and white. Next in the series is the Poodle. It comes in different variants. There is toy poodle, miniature poodle, standard poodle, medium poodle. Height can go up to from 28 cm to 45 cm depending upon the variant. Its color are different colors: black, white, cream, sable, black and white. Temperament: it is one of the most intelligent dog. It is quite trainable, faithful, active. This is very good dog for you can say human beings to be adopted as a companion animal. Next breed is Dachshund. This is quite a small breed. Its weight goes up to 15 kg. Height is 27 centimeters. It can be aggressive with times. This was adopted from the initially hunting dogs. In this dog there can be some issues related with the spine, so we must go for routine checkups with the available veterinarian time to time. Next breed is Pug. This breed is very lovely breed and is particularly liked by the kids. Its height can go up to 28 cm. Weight shall be under 10 or 8 kg. Color, different colors are silver, fawn or black. This texture is you can say short, fine and smooth. This is very compact and playful breed. It is good companion for human beings. It has some certain problems of the upper respiratory system known as BOAS, or you can say respiratory distress. This thing must be considered while you are adopting this breed as a pet. Next breed is Beagle. Its weight can go up to 12 kg. Height is 63 cm. It is available in fawn or black color. Texture is short, shiny and smooth. Initially these beagles were hunting dogs, but nowadays these have been adopted as companion or guard dogs. Next breed is Bulldog. It is having height of 40 cm, weight of 25 kg. It is compact but a small breed. It is available in red, fawn, white or pied color. Texture is fine, short or smooth. It is very compact and powerful. Four legs are bowed, which is normal characteristic of this dog. This is well adopted as a guard dog. Next breed is Chow Chow. This is dog is primarily originated from the China. Its weight goes up to 25 kg. Height is up to 56 cm. This is having very peculiarity about the tongue. Its color is blue black in color. Texture is dense and hairy. It is very powerful. It is having powerful build. It is not playful, but it is quite loyal. It is not considered suitable for kids as a companion. This dog is having certain issues with the you can say eyes and skin fold disease. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel, or ask your queries through the comment box. Thank you.